Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
we don't know what tomorrow holds, so we hold today.
Yeah. I spent some nights just thinking it through. All the things I wanted, all the things I blew. Life moves fast and it moves real slow. Some answers come, some never show up. I used to live like I had all the time. Now I count blessings, not just dimes. If today is all I get to see, I wanna live it honestly.
I learned not everything is promised, not every plan goes how we want it. Some goodbyes come way too soon, some prayers take a little room.
So I hold the people I love real close, say the words I used to postpone. If tomorrow never calls my name,
I still want today to mean something.
if tomorrow will come, I'll be grateful today
For the breath in my lungs,
for the love in my way.
I won't wait for perfect,
I won't wait for enough.
I'll live this moment, I love this much. If tomorrow will come,
I'll still do my part,
keep hope in my hand.
keep truth in my heart.
But if all I have is this moment right now, I'll make it count, I'll make it count somehow. I've seen how quick things change sometimes, how plans fall apart without a sign. So I don't save love for another day, I try to show it while I can say
I'm not fearless, but I'm awake. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to change. If the sun don't rise like it used to do, at least I love the best I knew.
I don't wanna live in only someday, or let my chances slip away. I wanna laugh a little louder now, say I'm sorry, say I love you out loud. I'm learning life is a fragile thing, beautiful and temporary. So if tomorrow feels far away, I'll still choose hope today. If tomorrow will come,
I'll be grateful today
for the breath in my lungs,
for the love in my way.
I won't wait for perfect,
I won't wait for enough.
I live this moment, I love this much. If tomorrow will come,
I'll still do my part,
keep hope in my head.
keep truth in my heart.
But if all I have is this moment right now, I'll make it count, I'll make it count somehow.
To anyone scared of what's ahead,
To anyone lying awake in bed,
you don't have to have it all figured out.
just live this day,
Don't waste it in doubt.
if tomorrow will come,
I welcome it too.
but I won't forget what today pulled me through. Every small joy, every hard fight, every step in the fading light. If tomorrow will come,
I'll still stand tall,
but if today is my only call, I'll leave love here, I'll leave my heart, I'll make this moment a brand new start.